What is up, Heal Thy Nail babes? Honey, so as you can see, we're jumping right into this video. I won't be talking too much throughout it. Actually, I will. Y'all know I like to talk. So what I'm doing here is just grabbing my builder base. It's a 5-in-1, so I'm going to use it as my nail glue and also as the builder gel that secures my nail, make it a little bit more sturdier on top. Alrighty, so same builder base, and I'm just about to go over all of my nails and add that on, and then I'll cure it for about 90 seconds. Alrighty, so this is what my nails look like, all cured. Now I'm about to go ahead and polish my other hand with builder gel. Now it's time to actually do my left hand. No, y'all, I always get this confused. I'm doing my right hand. Excuse the background noise. My kids are in there just going ham while I'm trying to record. Just cleaning around those cuticles real good before I cure. Time to polish, baby. Alrighty, so my daughter has been singing this Barbie doll song. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world or something like that. Y'all, I literally could not figure out what polish I wanted. And I was like, I don't think I really want pink. But as soon as I put that pink polish on, honey, when I was doing my first hand, baby, listen, I said, oh, okay, this the pink for the win. So, yeah, I think that song definitely has something to do with it. Alrighty, so let's get the rest of this pink polish on these nails. I did a total of 3 coats, so you'll see, yeah, that was the first coat. Now we're on coat number 2. And I've been really trying to cut down on my recording time because y'all, oh my goodness, when I say your girl is busy, not no busier than any of y'all, you know, but y'all know how life is. And so, honey, when I said, let me cut this video all the way down, 5 minutes, record time for your girl. Do you hear me? Okay, so now we're on to the 3rd coat. And let me tell y'all, so when I did, here I go, I get mixed up. When I was doing my right hand with my left hand, right now I'm doing my left hand with my right hand. So when I was doing my right hand with my left hand, I just did the blooming gel on my ring finger and I just added the color in like kind of like marble. Y'all, when I was doing this left hand, honey, when I tell you I completely forgot. And I said, you know what it is, honey. So, and you can't even really tell, like, you'll have to pay close attention to know that that was a mistake. But I wasn't about to take the gel polish off because who got time for all that? Not me. Already done curing that for that 60 seconds. Now it's time to add the blooming gel. And this is where I talk about why I messed up a little bit. But it's all good. It's all good. Alrighty, so I'm just grabbing my little dotting tool. And I have color on my resin palette. I'm sorry, that's not in camera view. I'm using white and like this dark lilac purple. Dark lilac purple. That's like a whole contradiction, right? But that's the best way I can explain it. So I'm just going through randomly adding color in different places. Just getting that marble effect with the blooming gel. And I'm just working those colors in there. Okay, so we're going to cure that. Alrighty, so now on to the next. That is the builder base. Now, I used another builder base earlier in the video, the Love Easy brand. But I chose to use the Amelie builder base for this design because that builder base is way thicker. And so I just felt like since it's a 5-in-1 as well, I feel like that just may give my rhinestones a little bit more durability. Now, this is my first time using the builder base because I told y'all I need some rhinestone HEMA-free rhinestone glue. However, I have been unable to find it. But builder base also acts as a adhesive for gems. And so I'm just trying this out. This is my first time. I will give y'all an update and let you know how that goes. Alrighty, so this is what we looking like, girl. Yes, babe. Heal thy nail, babes, that is. I had to hurry up and get these nails done because we're going out of town and we just can't be going out looking like no any kind of thing. Y'all know that. You know, heal thy nail, babes. That's how we do. So just putting that little oil across my nails, rubbing it in real good. And this is the final look. What y'all think? I think we look pretty in pink, baby. Until next time, heal thy nail base.